Maybe wash your hands because you've got onion on your fingers.
What?
Yeah, and it's going to end up in your eyeballs.
No.
Well, it will if you don't wash your hands, especially because you're rubbing your face. Yeah, like that. Stop. You're going to put the onion in there.
No.
You will. That's it. That's better. Get a little towel up there.
No, you give me a towel.
Yeah. You like them? They're for you. So you don't have to flick food everywhere. How good's that?
On.
It is on, but it's on very low. You can turn it up. Press the button.
What the hell?
That's it. All the way up to 9.
Whoa, I did that.
Yeah. Press it up to 9. Is it on 9? Good job.
Yes.
It is, yeah.
Whoa. Oh, come on.
It's hard work.
Oh, it's gonna be hot.
Is it hot, isn't it?
Right, Mum, Jack.
Yep. That's what it's got to look like. Can you do that?
Yeah, I did it, my Mum.
Alright, go on then.
Alright, whoop.
Oh, goodness me.
Oh my God, Mum. I'm ready.
Is there any left in there?
Oh, here's that doing. Mum, here's that doing.
Oh, he's waiting for you to get some dinner in his bowl. That's what he's doing.
Buddy? Dear boy?
Goodness me.
Whoa. It's a fat plate.
Whose plate's this one?
No, Mum. Mine.
It's yours, is it? Is there spaghetti in there for you?
Yeah, yes.
Ben? What?
Oh!
What are you doing?
Fix that. Fix. Fix.
Yeah, oh, you fixed it. Okay, good work. Well, now what's happening?
I don't know. It's being this silly, Mum.
Oh, no.
Is it delivery? Oh, yes. Mum.
You got it?
Oh, yes.
Good job.
What can do, boy? Miss Buddy?
Look out, he's jumped again.
Wait, stop it. No.
Bad dog.
Well, look at that, Mum.
Yeah.
My God, Jack. Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh, God, you're to the city. Get in there.
In there.
Ready to eat that. God.
You're going to eat it. That's got your tomato paste in it.
What?
The tomato paste.
Yeah, it's a donut. Right. Oh, there.
Hey, what's going on here?
The hell?
I haven't got enough mince. Can I have some more?
Yeah.
Thanks.
What is it?
Hold the handle, Matt.
Oh, no.
That's it.
It's good, Mum.
Good work.
Right, go to your Mum.
That's a bit better.
Oh, do that, Mum.
All right. Let's go.
Yeah, Jack, go there. Go there.
Is that for Jack? Yeah, you can put it there.
Here, boy.
Good job.
Yeah, Jack.
Let's taste it and see if it gets a thumbs up.
Ready?
Yeah, why have you got 2 forks?
Whoa. Oh, that's a mix. That's a mix. What the hell?
Oh no. Where's your spaghetti gone? It's good, is it? What about the spaghetti? Taste some of the spaghetti. Oh my goodness. How is it?
Oh, I guess I good.
It's good too.
You don't get that all.
Good work. Can't go wrong.
Where's that?
Yeah, Jack liked his. He's eaten it all, hasn't he? He's licking his lips.
Yeah, Jack.
Yeah, he likes that dinner.
You're a big boy.